In today's video, we will discuss the steps to turn on the Blackstone griddle. Watch this video to learn the process and more. To start your Blackstone griddle, follow these steps first. Open the lid of the griddle. Next, check the gas tank to ensure it is at least half full. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. This process for the remaining burners until all are fully lit. The Blackstone griddle requires a battery because it needs an ignition to start. The battery sends a voltage that produces a spark. If your griddle does not click, check the wiring, replace the igniter, and replace the batteries. By following these steps, you can successfully ignite your Blackstone griddle. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.